An ugly squabble at a Mumbai housing society has taken a political turn now. A Marathi theatre actor has accused his neighbours of targeting his family for cooking non-vegetarian meals. What was a neighbourhood brawl suddenly became a full-fledged political issue as the Shiv Sena, MNS, BJP and NCP jumped into the simmering fight. NCP leader Jitendra Awad was detained as a series of political leaders supported the Marathi actor protesting harassment by vegetarians and called for a swift action in the case. Several society residents have been booked for unlawful assembly, rioting and causing hurt. Neighbours have contradicted the actor and denied that the fracas was over non-vegetarian food. The MNS and Shiv Sena demanded action against the alleged discriminatory neighbours.
में आपको गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है।
कोई भी मामला हो, लेकिन ये गिरफ्तारी गैर कानूनी है। पुलिस दबाव में काम कर रही है और कार्य करके बीजेपी सरकार दबाव डालने की राजनीति कर रही है।
सोसाइटी में मराठी गुजराती सब साथ में रहते, सोसाइटी में प्रोग्राम होता है तभी वेज नॉन वेज दोनों साथ में रहता है, अलग अलग रहता है। लेकिन अगर आपको कुत्ते को आप हड्डी खिलाते हैं और हड्डी दूसरे के घर पे कुत्ता लेके जाएगा तो कोई भी बोलेगा कि भाई आपके कुत्ते को अंदर रखो। अगर कोई आदमी खाता नहीं होगा तो उसके घर में जाके हड्डी डालना ये कानून से गलत है। सबका त्योहार है और उसमें अगर झगड़ा हुआ होगा तो उन्होंने इतना पॉलिटिकल इशू नहीं करना चाहिए था।
Amrita Shedge is now joining us with more details from Mumbai. Amrita, how did the fight start in the first place and how did the political parties get involved in it?
See, basically this incident took place on Thursday night in one of the society in Dahisar, where one Marathi family said that the family was attacked and harassed by the other neighbors of that society who are particularly Gujarati and Marwadis, and the reason they have given that the particular family was cooking non-veg at their house, and this is the reason they have given, and they have said that because of this reason the fight took place and the other Gujarati and Marwadi families attacked our family. They also manhandled many members of our family. FIR has been registered against almost 8 to 15 people in this society, but yes, somewhere the society people are saying that these are baseless allegations. There is no such issue in that particular society. All the Marathi, Gujarati, Marwadis and all religion and other people are staying together. So that is the entire issue, and basically political parties are taking mileage over it because, you know, BMC elections are just coming in next few months, and because of that maybe the political parties are taking mileage by taking the side of Marathi Manus in this entire case.
All right, so the BMC elections seem to be one of the reasons why political parties have got involved in this squabble that happened in a society in Mumbai. Many thanks, Amrita, for those details.